Good morning. So, this is my outfit for today. Naka-pink long sleeve ako. In my Uniqlo pants. My pearl earring. Alam mo, hulog pa siya. Sa my watch. Here's another sleeve. Office time and office time, we need to work para sa future, and we have to twirl, scrunch, twirl, scrunch. So this is my hair, my curly hair. Dati hindi ko gusto yung curly, pero morning. So this is my outfit for today. Naka long sleeve in my Uniqlo pants and naka flat pointed shoes. Super comfy. Half hairstyle, scrunch. Ready for office.